Well, I didn't want to bore you with me cussing and swearing at this damn thing. So I stopped it, and now I'm just going to show you what it came out to look like. Came out pretty good. I bought 3 boxes, and they're $50 a box, and I got done with just this little piece left and that little piece left. I wasn't about to open up another box. That's going to be hid under the bed. I'm going to just tack it down a little bit with a nail gun, my little brad nailer, and call it a day, because it's going to be underneath the cabinet and the bed. And this way now I can return that box of flooring. But came out really good. I'm happy with it. I had to put a couple screws in there because I'm finding that when I'm tapping it to get that tight joint, it was sliding the whole damn thing. And by the time I got to the edge, I was only about ½ inch off a little bit. So that's not bad. I ended up putting a screw way in the corner that's going to be hit anyway, and pulling the front and slid the whole thing as a unit to make sure it's square now. And I'm very happy. It came out great. So I just have to, you know, put up the trim by the door and then the transition piece, but I'm not going to mess with that transition piece yet into the carpet, because I'm probably going to buy new carpet to put up there. You can buy the whole like fitted piece. They still make them, and they're pretty reasonable. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And so yeah, I'm super stoked. Now I can measure out and put my cabinet in here and my refrigerator, see where it's gonna land, and then I can get going on my bed. I am gonna box out the fender wells here. I got insulation left over, so I'm just gonna kind of box it a little bit and put the insulation over it. But other than that, yeah, good to go. And please like and subscribe, and you'll get hit the bell, and I'll notify when you get another video up there. But thanks for watching. Peace out.